Do you want to know how you can translate your documents in Google Translate? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can translate your documents. Go ahead and open Google Chrome on your Chrome or Edge browser and then log into your account. Now what you need to do is click on Google Apps and click Translate. You can see the documents option on the top of the left hand corner. Go ahead and click on documents. You can drag or drop a document, or else you can click browse your files. Click on browse your files and then click on the thing you want to translate. Now after doing this, click translate. In a while, download translation will appear. Go ahead and click download translation and you can see your file has been downloaded. Go ahead and click open file. You can see that your file has been downloaded and it has been translated. You can do the same. All you need to do is click on documents and then you can see the screen will appear. You can drag and drop a document or you can click browse your files. You must also notice that the supported file types are docs, PDF, PPT and Excel. So go ahead and upload these and your files will be translated. I hope this video about how you can translate your files in Google Translate was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.